Welcome again to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to add watches list in Jira issue through REST API. So if you don't know about it and want to learn in detail, then please watch complete video. And if you have not yet subscribed this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Adding a user as a watcher of an issue by passing the account ID of the user. If no user specified the calling user is added, this operation requires the allow users to watch issue options to be on. This option is set in general configuration for Jira. So here we'll see how to do that manually, and post that we'll see through REST API. So when you'll navigate to any specific issue and open the complete detail about that issue, you will see here, this is the watcher list is available here. If I don't want to watch this little issue going further, I will simply remove my name. And if I want to add my name as a watcher of this issue, you can see here this is highlighted with blue, and you can see my name as well. I am the person who is watching this issue. Now this time I am removing again and will do this activity through REST API. For this we will need the defect ID or issue key. This is my defect ID demo 4. So here I am going to add DEMO hyphen 4 and forward slash TCHERS watchers. This is the initial domain name. This is the path of the issue, like REST API 3 issues, and this is my defect ID. And then the watchers, I'm going to use post method because I want to add this watcher list. So now I'm done. For performing this activity, we need to have the permissions for performing REST API operations. So I'm already authorized for this. So if you don't know about how to use or create the username and password, please watch my previous video. I will also include the URL of that video in my description tab so that it will be easy for you to access it. Now, once I will click on send, my watches request has been sent. Now I will navigate it to Jira. You can see here the watcher list is not available. We have to refresh this page. Once I will refresh this page, you can see myself has added inside the watcher list. This is how we can add the watcher list in Jira issue through REST API. That's all about this video. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.